everyone, Tina Service here with Lead Titan, your GoHighLevel expert and Maid Central expert. So if you are looking for a way to get your canceled clients out of Maid Central and over to Lead Titan, there's a couple of different things you can do, but this canceled service report will allow you to see all of the canceled clients that you have and the reason that they were canceled. Now, the challenge is this information doesn't have the client's phone number and email, which is what you're going to need to be able to import it into Lead Titan or GoHighLevel. So the first thing I would do is I would do this by month. If you want, you can do it by year, but basically you're going to go over to this report and go to data. For the way that I like to do it is just by a particular time frame. So I'm going to go and do December 1st to December 30th. So December 1st to the 31st. We're going to refresh this data here. And then this data, now you can see in my company, we don't really change the reason. We just leave it as is, but you certainly, that's good information that you want to pull in. So you can see in here that this doesn't have phone number or email. So what you do is you're going to want to export this data out into a CSV file. And then the next report you're going to go grab is your customer list. And that is going to be to grab your customers' additional data, the email and the phone number. You're going to go to campaigns. You're going to go to customer campaign. Again, you can change the dates for this. So since I just ran December, I'm going to run December data here. And it's going to pull whatever information you have up here if they're all checked for you. So the scope of work, your frequency, and your zones. And then I put this number up to 1,000. This actually does not work. So I don't know if that's a feature that's coming, but you can do search. I'm just going to pause it. Okay, so the video actually, or the list actually came up pretty fast. Column visibility, I just checked this to make sure they're all checked. And then you can export this to Excel. Once you have your two documents downloaded, you can then merge the two together so that it pulls in the person's phone number and email, so that when you go to import it into GoHighLevel, then you're going to be able to match that information up by name, by email and phone number.